on the zoo. I want to believe that the zoo was ironically taken away from the people of Malawi. There's no place where even the children can understand how does a live monkey look like. So we decided to look at those nodal services that could also be of service and entertainment as well as recreation to our people. And zoo is one of them. So we looked at what led to the closure of the zoo. With all the background, we then decided that we need to resuscitate the zoo, bring it back to the people, and it must have those animals that are user-friendly, that could be at the access of the people of Malawi, mainly for also recreational purposes. Now it goes with money. Actually, 6 million rand is little. The amount of money that must be used at the zoo, it will go with the revamping of the zoo, the sourcing of personnel and staff, as well as making sure that there are animals in that zoo. So all I can say and report to you is that all the necessary steps, that are regulated will be followed to arrive at. There has been some form of resistance in opening the zoo, and that involves other stakeholders, and the Metro has been engaging at that level. I want to believe that we are at the verge of arriving at opening the zoo. As to the statistics of it, I wouldn't want to be on point, because normally some of these things I must take them first to the council, get endorsement, and this and this and that. So that when I talk to you, I must talk with authority, and having been given the mandate to do so. But opening the zoo, yes, that's good.